Hello you motor minds. What you are looking at right now was the heartthrob of the Auto Expo 2018 in Delhi. This is the first electric Desi superbike built from scratch by Bangalore-based startup named Emflux, and the bike is hence called One. Now the company introduces this as liquid-cooled AC induction motor. We know the specs, but do you know how does it sound like?
In that case, Mr. Raju Rastogi,
Yes, sir.
can you tell us how an induction motor starts? Stop it!
Of course not like that, and that is the reason why you are here watching this video. But first, let's know this bike a little more. The conventional internal combustion or petrol engine produces torque starting a certain RPM, but an electric motor has the torque starting 0, which means this bike is meant to be ridden hard. The One weighs 170 kgs and has a load capacity of 200 kg. Also, it endures a range capacity of 200 km per charge in the city and 150 km on the highway if you wish to take it on a weekend breakfast ride. And to fuel the adrenaline addict inside you, this bike has a 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds. The One has a top speed of 200 km per hour, which can be used on a track for 80 km like Mad Max. Feeding the heart of the machine is a 9.7 kilowatt lithium-ion imported battery from Samsung. And keeping in mind the safety aspect, the bike is built and certified as IP67, which means it is resistant from water and dust. The bike can also withstand to be submerged till 1 meter in the water. Looking at the wheels, the front flaunts gold-finished non-adjustable Olin suspension with 300 mm disc mounted with Brembo calipers with super sticky 120/70 radial Diablo Rosso 2 tires. Whereas the rear has beautiful trellis single-sided swing arm that holds a 180/55 section rear tire with 220 mm disc, and of course it has dual channel ABS. Emflux claims it takes only 36 minutes for up to 80% of battery charge and hold 3 hours for a full juice on a regular charger. But if you plug it in with the patented warp charger, 1 hour is all you need for 100%. The futuristic display is a 6.8-inch full digital TFT panel loaded with Bluetooth mobile connectivity, SMS, incoming calls with caller ID, navigation, front camera, and other traditional information. Now to feed your curiosity, behold the sound of the future. The online offers will open by mid this year post media release, and the sale will commence not before April 2019. The bike showcased in Auto Expo is the top variant with a tag of 11 lakhs, whereas a detuned version will be available at as low as 6 lakhs Indian rupees. So guys, do you think we are ready to embrace the future of motorcycling, or you would take the growl of an engine over the ringing of an electric motor? Drop in your thoughts in the comment section and let me know your choice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you don't like it, thumbs down and drop in your views. Until next time, let the wheels take me and you.